In today's video, I will walk you through how to change the bar color in Google Sheets bar graph. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Start by opening Google Sheets through the official website or from Google Drive. Then open the spreadsheet where you want to edit your chart. Click Insert in the top menu, then select Chart. Google Sheets will automatically create a default chart and place it on your sheet. On the right side, the chart editor will appear. In that panel, go to Chart Type and switch it to Bar Chart so your data is displayed as horizontal bars. Next, click directly on one of the bars in the chart. Make sure you select the Colored section so the correct data series is active. The chart editor options will update on the right. Find the Fill Color option and click the color box next to it. A color palette will open where you can choose a new color or enter a custom hex code. If you have multiple data series, click each set of bars and repeat the same process, changing the fill color for each one. Once finished, your bar chart will display the updated colors, making each data series easier to distinguish. Thank you for watching the video.